In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Excel. Keeping Excel up to date is a simple but important habit because updates often include performance improvements, security fixes, and new features that can make the app more stable and easier to use. The good news is that the process only takes a moment, and you can do it directly from within Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look toward the top left area of the window. Click on File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can manage settings, account information, and application options. If you're currently working on a spreadsheet, it's a good idea to save your work before continuing, just in case Excel needs to restart after the update. Once you're in the File menu, find and click Account. This section shows information about your Microsoft Office apps, including product details, connected services, and update controls. If you don't usually explore this area, don't worry. This is the standard place to check for Office updates. After that, look for the Update Options button and click it. This will open a small menu with choices related to Office updates. This menu is where Microsoft gives you control over checking for and managing updates for Excel and the rest of the Office apps installed on your computer. From that menu, click Update Now. As soon as you do that, Excel will begin checking for the latest available update. If an update is available, Office will start downloading and installing it. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few minutes. During this time, it's best to let the process finish without closing Excel or shutting down your computer. Once the update starts, all you need to do is wait for it to complete. Excel may briefly close and reopen, or Office may display a progress message while the installation finishes. When it's done, your version of Excel will be updated, and that's it. As a quick tip, if you don't see the Update Options button, it may mean your version of Office is managed by your workplace or school, or updates may already be handled automatically. But in most personal installations, this is the fastest way to manually update Excel whenever you want. And that's how to update Microsoft Excel. It's a short process, but keeping your software current can help you avoid bugs and ensure you have access to the latest tools and improvements.